Hello friends, today I am sharing this very easy Smooshy marble nail art design in red color. This is a very easy nail art design and can be easily made using a jelly stamper or any clear stamper that you have. For this design, first apply white polish on your nails and then I added a layer of glitter polish on top of it to give it a little bit of bling. Then I took a sellotape and I cut out two thin stripes, and once my nails were dry, I added those stripes as shown. Press down the stripes firmly and then take the jelly stamper or the clear stamper and apply polishes like white, plain red color, then I used the glitter red color, and finally I added a dash of pink here and there to break the monotony. And then take this polish concoction and apply it on your nails by stamping gently so that you get a smooshy kind of marble effect. Once you are satisfied with the way the design turns out, all you need to do is gently remove the sellotape from your nails to reveal the white part beneath. The next step as usual is cleanup, and this time I forgot to apply a barrier on my skin, so I have to use nail polish remover and a cleanup brush and also a Q-tip to remove off the excess polish. So first I am removing most of the polish with the Q-tip, and then I used a nail polish remover and cleanup brush to remove the polish from near the cuticle area. After the cleanup is done, I took some red polish and I made a margin around the white design which I had created in between the smooshy marble, and thus I bordered this white area, and then allow the design to dry off completely. Finally, apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design by capping off the edges as well. I created this design on my middle finger only, and on my pointer and ring finger I simply created the smooshy effect using the same technique without the tape. And finally I gave those nails also a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. On my thumb I used the glitter polish and I applied the red polish on my thumb, and on my pinky finger I applied the pink polish. And in this manner, this very easy smooshy marble nail art design in red color is done. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you like this very easy design, and thanks for watching.